Uninstalling unused programs on your Windows 11 PC is an easy way to ensure your computer is efficient and responsive. Here's how. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Control Panel. If Control Panel is set to large or small icons, click on Programs and Features. If your Control Panel is set to the category view, click Uninstall a program under Programs. Select the program you want to uninstall. You can either click the Uninstall button at the top or right-click on the program and choose Uninstall. The program's uninstaller will launch. Confirm by clicking Yes and follow the steps to remove the program. If you have any questions about uninstalling programs in Windows 11, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more Dell support content.